Hi, this is Don from RECHI with this professional acrylic manufacturer. This is acrylic sign holders manufactured by our factory. You see the difference with the current market sign holders. We use totally new acrylic sheets to make these acrylic sign holders. It's different with the other companies make by PIs and MS sheet. What's more, we use deep enough here to piece 6 mm acrylic sheets stick here to graph the graphic paper. Here it is 10 mm. You can see it's very transparent. It's very beautiful. See the details? No acrylic glue bubbles. It's very clean.